Hi there, my name is Ahmad Abu Saleh and this is my MIT Maker portfolio.
Last year, I made this RC car from scratch for my final project of my computer programming class, with the main limitation being to only use what I currently had access to. I started with an HTTP web server, but this method wasn't viable due to the poor responsiveness. Using HTTP protocol, a GET request must first be made before data is sent. This results in slow response times of 2 to 3 seconds. I then discovered the WebSocket protocol, which allows for data to be sent asynchronously after an initial handshake to open the connection. With WebSockets, I could send speed and angle data to the car at roughly 40 times per second.
Next, I needed to make the controls for the car on the web server.
I found a joystick module built in JavaScript that could be used in HTML pages, so I repurposed that code from the creator Robert D'Amico to be able to send X and Y coordinates. In order to test what I'd programmed so far, I needed to build the car body, starting with the frame that held the breadboard and 2 power banks. After some research on how car steering works, I found this video showing a basic steering mechanism in a video game. I implemented this design into my car using a servo motor that I borrowed from my teacher. I initially had issues with friction between the Lego pieces, but this was resolved by using these turntable Lego pieces. The final part was the drivetrain. With only 3 days left until the last class of the semester, I finalized my designs, created the 3D models, and 3D printed all the parts for the driving mechanism. With such a tight timeline, I wasn't able to reprint some of the crooked parts, leaving the final car looking a little messy.
But the goal of this project wasn't perfection. Rather, this car was a proof of concept of what I could build using the resources around me. Throughout this endeavor, I sharpened my skills in coding, 3D modeling, and research, and I hope that I can continue to make these projects at MIT. Thank you.